everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Vanna. This is a rare sighting. 1, me without a wig. 2, me without makeup. Today is a very special video. I'm going to be doing cosplay makeup. I'm new to this. This will be my first ever. Well, I don't know if you would say that was cosplay. I was just doing a makeup Halloween look, and pretty much it was a Aaliyah J look that she did, and I recreated it. So I don't know if that would be considered cosplay, but this one that we're going to be doing today will be actually considered cosplay. So explains why I look like a potato. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's go ahead and hop into this video. This is what we're going to be attempting to do today. Shout out to you, girl, because I really love this look on you. I'm not going to be doing it exactly the way she has it. Like, I have a different hair than she does, and also I do not have contacts, but I was just going to edit the picture to make my eyes look red, pretty much. So don't mind that I don't have the contacts. So right now I'm pretty much just doing my eyebrows how I would usually do it. Not too bad, not too bad, not too shabby. Doesn't look too crazy. But let's go ahead and move on to the other eyebrow. So same thing. We're gonna just do it normal, like how I would do it. I'm using the Athena painting palette, You Can Be, and I got it off of Amazon, so I will have it linked. The first painting. So, right now, just painting, and I'm not really going to talk for this portion because I'm probably going to speed it up to let you guys see me paint my face. Somebody texts, but let's get into it. Pretty much what the first layer kind of looks like on the first side, you can still see through you can see my skin. So I'm gonna probably apply another layer. It's kind of repetitive, so I will come back once my full face is covered. Okay, bye. I'll see you in a second. Don't move, I'll be back. We're gonna go ahead and do the eye look because she has a black smoky eye going on. So we're gonna do the black on the eyes, and then we're gonna contour the nose. So let's do it.
Boy, if you don't get...
So we're just going ahead and we're just tapping that black on there like so. And tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap in. Pretty much tapping it on there. And then we're going to eventually end up doing a smoky. But right now we're just going to keep going and adding that color on there because we want the black to be intense. Like right now it looks like a nasty gray, but we want it to be black. Okay, honey. Okay, honey. Yes. Oh my god. I look stupid. It looks stupid right now, but I'm gonna clean it up. I'm a joke. Why did I do that? Hers, she had like a black contour going on her nose, but it didn't look as harsh as mine looks right now. See, I don't know about that contour thing, but we're just gonna like, well, me kind of covering up it a little bit made it look alright. So scared to do this, the little squiggly lines, the little red thingy. So we're gonna go ahead and take the red paint in my palette and we're gonna get started with the line. I see what I'm doing wrong. I really want to get these lines right, which I already knew was going to be the biggest issue for me. So I'm going to correct it and I'm going to fix it. So give me a second. All right, I'll be back. Okay. Okay. This is as good as I can get this side to go. So now we're going to go ahead and hopefully I don't start screwing up because I'm on camera. But I'm going to fix it because looks like a coral pink. So okay, let's do the other side. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this number 9 looking thing on my face?
2,000 years later.
Okay, so we're gonna just completely act like one is not bigger than the other and that they look even. So now let's go ahead and move on. These lines are the death of me. And honestly, if I could have just got the lines right, I feel I would have been somewhere. So now I'm going to do like the little puppet line thingy, which should be easy, but I'm questioning everything about my life at this point. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is try to darken the little line on my lip real quick. I think that'll wrap up pretty much for the face, and I'm gonna go ahead and change into my clothes so you guys can see the outfit all together in the hair. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put the clothes on for you guys, okay? So hold up. The clothes in the hair, so hold on. And this is the finished look. I am not a professional. It took me forever to do these lines, that I couldn't even do it on the camera, so whatever. All right, guys, this is gonna be pretty much it for my video. I did okay. I wasn't the best, but I tried. So thank you guys so much for watching me transform into Jigsaw. And I mean, it was fun for the most part until I got up to the lines and they were getting on my nerves. But that's gonna wrap up this video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I will catch you guys on the next video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching me transform into Jigsaw and doing my little cosplay. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys.